second video. So this one is about local businesses. So you want to promote your local business. You want people to know that you exist. People that live around your neighborhood are mostly to be targeted. Now there are two ways. There's the online and offline. Now offline includes flyers, referrals, includes your local journal, all the little small communities that you can go target, send your papers, leave your business cards or your flyers at different businesses. That's all offline, and I'll talk more about that. But what I wanted to talk about mostly was online. So your online presence is truly important. So you know that these days people actually write what they are looking for online. Example, they're looking for a restaurant, they're going to write best Italian restaurant near me. They're looking for a dentist near me, and they'll just go through the reviews and all that, and they'll be choosing which business they'll use according to the research that comes up. So SEO is really important. SEO is search engine optimization, and that's keywords that you need to use on your website, on different platforms, in order to be one of the first pages of Google. Also, it's important to be hit number one. It's important to be using some ads, some Google ads. I'll speak about all that. But what I wanted to truly talk about was Google My Business. So Google My Business, I'm going to put an image and also a link below if ever you don't know what it is. If you have any questions, they also have a FAQ with a ton of good information that you can get from there to understand what it is and what it does and how you can get on Google My Business. Now, it takes a little time for you to be on Google My Business because you're going to put your address, your local business. They're going to send you a letter with a validation code. Once you receive it, you go on the website that they provide, you put your validation code, and voila, you are now on Google. Google knows that you exist, that you are a local business. A lot of people don't do this, and that's why I'm making this video, because it helps a lot of people. With Google My Business, you also get a platform that's only to you, right? To the owner or the person taking care of Google My Business. You can see how many people clicked on your links, how many people researched you per month, how they researched you. Is it new people? Is it returning people? Did they press on call, on map, on different little fidgets on your Google? It tells you everything, and also tells you, hey, why don't you put a picture there? Why don't you put different pictures of your team, different pictures of what you provide, what type of services you provide. Also, you can put your hours of operations, you can put when you're on vacation, all that stuff. It's very important for you to follow that, because people get mad if there's false information on there. So I just want to show you directly on my laptop what it looks like, and I'm going to show you right now. So what you see here, it's actually in French because I'm French. And what you see here is pretty much the back end of Google My Business. As you can see up there, there's the address right here, and there's all the little stuff that you can check out. Now, what I wanted to show you is the stats. It's amazing the stuff that you can get here. So, mode de recherche de votre établissement means how did they find your establishment. So how did they find the blue, the green, and the yellow. The blue is people that actually found you with different keywords. The green is direct research, so that means they directly researched the name of your establishment. In my case, it's Nettoyeur Kirkland, so they wrote Nettoyeur Kirkland on it. That means they're trying to find a phone number, they're trying to find an address, or they're just trying to see where we are located. Now, the yellow is par marque. It's clients that are looking for a brand. So this is 18 people here in the last month that looked at me as a brand. I looked at the Nettoyeur Kirkland as a brand. So it's amazing to see that there's 1,469 research in total. In blue, that means people that found me with keywords. So you see that it's really good, but it's not there yet. I'm working on that. There's the green, there's 139 people that researched my business, and there's the yellow, that are people that are looking for brands, and let's say dry cleaner, a popular dry cleaner, they were able to find me like that. So if I scroll down, this is the most important, and this is why I wanted to make this video. because your keywords are truly, truly important. What you see here are all the keywords that people typed in order for me to get in order for the client, to find my business. The first one is the name of the business, 60 people in the last month. Second, nettoyeur, which means dry cleaner in French, 54 people. Dry cleaners in English, because we are bilingual here, it's 51. So 51 and 54 is really good. And then laundromat, dry cleaner near me. As you can see, dry cleaner near me is 36, is not as good as I thought it would be, but I need to work on that. Then laundry, dry cleaning, dry cleaners, and it keeps on going. There's 78 of them, which is amazing in my opinion. So I'm just gonna stop there and turn around. Sorry about all this wiggly. I don't want to. Here you go. Sorry about all this wiggly, camera setting, is because I wanted to make it a raw video, just talking on my iPhone. So the reason why I stopped there is because this is what you need to know. What people are looking for is truly important. All these people found me, this business, with these keywords, and therefore you have to double down on these keywords. Google is offering you these keywords for free, so we have to take advantage of that. We have to take all these keywords and install them properly on our website, put them on our Facebook, put them on different platforms, different websites, in order for us to be found. And what I love about this is that they're doing this for free. They're telling you exactly what people are looking for in order to find your niche. So my niche is dry cleaner, so you see all the keywords. For you, it could be pastry, best pastry near me, it could be pastry, it could be different keywords. So once you know the keywords, you have to attack them. You have to really double down and maybe put a little bit of money on Google Ads using these keywords in order for you to be the top search. And that's what I really wanted to talk about on this little video. I'm also going to show you something else here. So I'm just scrolling down, and here you go. And you can see that people are looking for me on Maps, Google Maps, as well as Google searches. So as you can see, they tell you day by day how people are searching for you and how they found you. Was it on Google Maps or was it on the Google search? Also here you can see the action of clients. That means, did they press on the website? Did they press appel? So appel is call. It's not a lot, as you can see, and I have to work on that. I had a little spike here, 12 calls on June 18, 2019, and one person checked on Maps, one person checked the website, which is pretty good, but I have to keep that up. In order for you to keep that up, you have to double down on your Google ads. And the amazing part here of Google is that they're telling you where your customers are located. So it's pretty awesome to see that the people that are looking for my businesses are right here. You even have their postal code. So if you ever want to target people around you, you can click on different places around your neighborhood, and you can see where the people are researching for you, and you can see who you can target. Now these are the calls. They go day by day, which is pretty good to know how many people are calling your business. And here are the pictures. I highly suggest that you guys post a lot of pictures of your business on Google. Let me tell you why. A lot of people don't do it. So if you do it, you are dominating. As you can see, the blue lines is my business, and the red line is the establishment that are similar to me. So établissement similaire means establishment that are similar. That means other dry cleaners are not posting any pictures. As you can see, I had a spike here. 224 people on June 29th watched my clicked on my pictures to look at them. So it's really high. As you can see, it's in the hundreds. It goes all the way to the 200s, and it's really good for you to know this. Please post as much as you can. Post pictures, just have fun with it. You don't have to buy a camera. You can just post pictures from your iPhone directly. And here are the numbers of pictures that people are looking. It's mostly pictures from me, and then there's pictures from clients as well that are putting there. And that's it for the stats. So that's all they're offering you for the stats of Google, but it's already so much information. Now it's up to you to go get as much information, but also data is good. It's very good to take, but you have to know what to do with it. And on the next videos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down how I'm dealing with my marketing campaigns. I'm working hard on different marketing campaigns right now. I'm going to be doing a lot of emails, a lot of flyers, a lot of Google ads, and also Facebook ads. So I'll make a separate video for each one of them, and I'll show you what I do, and you can follow my steps. I hope this helped you out. Until next time, guys, ciao.